Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope everyone is fit and fine and doing great in their lives. And this side Umesh Kumar, a CA intermediate student. So today I'll be sharing about that how I cleared my CA foundation exams and what was the strategies I used to clear the examination. So before getting into the video, if you are new on my channel, please like it, subscribe it and share it, and don't forget to hit the bell icons for more videos. So let's get started. So before jumping on to the topic directly, that how I cleared the examination and what was the strategies I used, I would like to give a brief intro about myself. That I cleared my class 12th examinations in 2019, and I got decent marks, around 85% I got, and which is above average. And but the my image was not very good in the classroom. Every teacher used to scold me. They used to insult me in front of the class because I and my friend was the most wanted students in the class. They used to say like, you can't do anything in your life, you just go pack your bags, go home and do farming. After that, लटकते लटकते class 12 pass हो गया. Then we went to our colleges, and I pursue BCom honors course from Chandigarh University. So after first sem, the COVID came, and in COVID everybody was locked in their homes. We were also locked in our homes and doing our online classes also. So in the last year of my BCom honors, I applied for the CA foundation examinations. So I purchased my classes from an academy, and an academy के साथ एक scene था, means from whom I was taking classes, those teachers were being shifted from CA category to CSWT category, and because of that I was unable to complete my whole syllabus, and I gave the examination but I could not clear it. And after 10th class मेरे पास मैथ्स भी नहीं था, तो फेल होना तो लाजमी था. So after June 22 attempt, I started my self studies for the November 22 attempt. I gave it and I cleared it with good marks, not above 300, but I got the good marks. So today I'll be sharing my strategies which I have applied to clear the CA foundation examination. So in foundation stage, there are 4 subjects: accounts and law plus BCR, economics and BCK, along with maths. So syllabus इतना बड़ा भी नहीं है. It is quite similar to our class 12th syllabus. So I would like to talk about first accounts. So for accounts, I did not use any reference books. I just only used the ICI study material. And CA students, you all know that ICI modules are the Bible for us. जो कुछ भी आएगा इसी के अंदर से आएगा. जितने भी जो big questions हैं उनको आप घोल के पी लीजिए, and also solve the RTPs, MTPs and previous year questions, and the writing practice is must. So for law and BCR, सबसे पहले आपको ABC एनालिसिस करना है, मीन्स डिवाइड द चैप्टर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वेटेज इन द एग्जामिनेशन. जैसे कि जो आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट है प्लस सोगा, ये सबसे ज़्यादा वेटेज कैरी करता है. एंड आपका LLP 5 मार्क्स, एंड अगेन कंपनीज एक्ट विच इज़ अराउंड 8 to 12 मार्क्स. तो इस हिसाब से आप अपना सिलेबस डिवाइड करिए, एंड ऑलवेज रिवाइज द सिलेबस एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 times, and keep testing yourself that are you able to write the laws sections very carefully or not, or you are able to solve the case studies or not. If not, there is something wrong. And always learn the sections by heart, and solve the RTP, MTP and previous year questions. Always write the answers in a particular pattern. Write the provision followed by the body of the answer, then the conclusion of the answer. So this is how you have to frame the answer of the law. एंड BCR तो सिंपल इंग्लिश है आपका, तो उसे तो आप सॉल्व कर ही लोगे. So for maths, which is your paper number 3 in the foundation examination, this paper is also MCQ type, and there is also a negative marking. This paper contains of 3 sections: maths, LR, stat. जो कि आपका maths होगा वो 40 marks का है, and stat is again of 40 marks, and LR is of 20 marks. So because of negative marking, it becomes very important to do the ABC analysis of the chapters. So divide the chapters according to the marks, एंड आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं जैसे 20 मार्क्स का अपना LR है, एंड 40 मार्क्स का स्टेट है, तो आप इसको एकदम अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करिए। एंड स्टेट में करीब हाफ ऑफ द मार्क्स मीन्स 40 मार्क्स का है तो 20 मार्क्स के तो आपका थ्योरी ही आएगा, बाकी के न्यूमेरिकल्स आएंगे। एंड मैथ्स के साथ आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं, जो आपका चैप्टर आपको डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है तो उसको आप स्किप कर दीजिए क्योंकि नेगेटिव मार्किंग है इसलिए। एंड बाकी का जो आपका थोड़ा बहुत आता है आपको उसको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करिए एंड थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग करिए। एंड ट्राई टू लर्न ऑल द formulas and short tricks on the calculator. You should have a good command over the calculator and try to solve the ICA module questions as well as the MTPs. So for economics and BCK, which is your paper number 4 in the foundation examination, and this paper is also MCQ based, and you should keep your concepts very clear in this examination, and always try to underline each and every important point which you came across while reading the ICI module. Solve the MTPs, and always the most important thing that always remember the dates and the company's name along with their taglines in the BCK, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जो मैंने अपने टाइम पे किया था वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ, तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं। जो मीन्स मैंने इकोनॉमिक्स और मैथ्स के साथ किया था, मैंने 2 मॉड्यूल कंपाइलर मंगाए थे स्कैनर अड्डा वेबसाइट से, तो वो आपको बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। उसके मतलब डेली आई वाज सॉल्विंग अराउंड 20 to 25 क्वेश्चंस डेली, and which helped me to score good marks in the economics as well as in the mathematics. So I scored around 62 marks in the maths. So you can apply this thing to score good marks and manage the timings in the examination hall in paper number 3 and paper number 4, which is your MCQ based. So take printouts of all the past year MTPs along with OMR sheet, and set the timings of 2 hour limit and test yourself. And after testing yourself, please check the papers and try to give marks to yourself, and this will help you to analyze where you are lacking. I will mention the link in the description box given below to order the compiler from Scanner Radda, and always be consistent in your studies and try to study according to your capabilities. जैसे मीन्स आप 10 घंटे नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हो तो करीब 6 घंटे आप पढ़ो, वो भी कंसिस्टेंट पढ़ो। एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी कंसिस्टेंट, एंड राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस इज़ मस्ट, and be confident, trust the process. Happy journey, happy learning. Thank you.